Welcome to RT Home. I am Devinder. In this video, we will discuss class 10th maths. Exercise 12.2 question number 1. A TV tower stands vertically on the side of a road. From a point on the other side, directly opposite to the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of tower is 60 degrees. From another point 10 meter away from the point, on the line joining this point to the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degrees. Find the height of the tower and width of the road. See here, first of all, you can assume here AB. AB is a TV tower, vertically stands on the road only. See here, AB is the TV tower. Next they mention, from a point on the other side, directly opposite to the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degrees. See here, for example, this is the road. From this point, other side of road, the angle of elevation is almost 60 degrees. That means here, from this point, the angle of elevation is here 60 degrees. See, let us assume here this is the point C. Next we can see here, from another point 10 meter away from this point, from another point 10 meter away from this point, see, they mentioned on the line joining this point to the foot of the tower is how much here? 30 degrees. That means on the same straight line 10 meters away. You can see here, just I am considering here, this is the 10 meter away. You can take here point D. From this point, from point D, the angle of elevation is how much? 30 degrees. See here, from the point D, here 30 degrees. If you draw the diagram, you can do the problem very easily. See here, AC is the width of the road. AC is the width of the road. They are asking find the width of the road and find the height of the tower also. You need to find here height of the tower. See, let us assume here height of the tower is h meters. Next you can see here width of the road. Here I am taking here x meters. Now we can write here from the figure. From the figure, let the height of the tower, the height of the TV tower is equal to here h meters. Next you can see here the angle of elevation from point C. Here how much here? Angle ACB. Angle ACB is equal to, angle ACB is equal to here 60 degrees. Angle ADB. Angle ADB is equal to here 30 degrees here. Distance CD is equal to here 10 meters. Just try written here the given information only. Now we can take the triangle from triangle ABC. I am taking here from the triangle BAC. See here I am taking here tan 60. Tan theta. What is the tan theta? The tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. So that I am taking here C. Tan 60 is equal to here AB by AC. Tan 60 value is how much? Root 3 only. Yes or no? Yes, root 3 is equal to AB value is how much? H. AC value is how much? X only. That means you can write here implies H is equal to root 3 into x meters. H is equal to how much? Root 3 into x. You can consider this as first equation. Next, from the triangle ADB, you can take here from the triangle ADB. See here tan 30. Tan theta is equal, can I take here AB by AD or not? Yes. I am taking here tan 30 is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Tan 30 value is how much? 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equal to AB value is how much? H. AD value is how much? Just you can see here. AD value is, AD means it is AC plus CD or not? Yes. That means here x plus 10. You can take here x plus 10. See here 1 by root 3 is equal to h by x plus 10. You can transpose x plus 10 to LHS. Yes or no? Yes, you can write it. Therefore, h is equal to x plus 10 into 1 by root 3. That means you can write here x plus 10 into 1, x plus 10 by root 3. H is equal to. Now you can consider this as second equation. See here h is equal to root 3x. Here h is equal to x plus 10 by root 3. So that both are height of the tower only or not? Yes. So that you can write here from equation 1 and 2. Can I write here root 3 into x is equal to x plus 10 by root 3. Yes or no? Yes. You can transpose root 3 to LHS. That means can I write here root 3 into root 3x is equal to here x plus 10 implies root 3 into root 3 how much? 3 only. 3x is equal to here x plus 10. You can transpose x to LHS. You will get here how much? 3x minus x is equal to how much? 10 only. 3x minus x means you will get here how much? 2x only. 2x is equal to here 10 implies x is equal to how much here? 10 by 2. You can transpose 2 to RHS. You will get 10 by 2 means here how much? 5. That means x is equal to how much? 5 meter. What is the x value? See here. You can see here. X means the width of the road or not? Width of the road is 5 meters. Therefore, width of the road here x is equal to 5 meters. Next, you can see here from the equation 1, height of the tower is how much? Root 3 into x. Just you can substitute the value of x. X is equal to how much? 5 meters. Therefore, you can write here h is equal to root 3 into here 5. See here root 3 value is how much? 1.732. You can substitute here 1.732 into 5. If possible, you can write it as 5 root 3 only. 5 root 3 meters. H is equal to height of the tower is how much? 5 root 3 meters. If you want to simplify, you can simplify here. See here 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15 plus 1 16 here, 5 7 is 35 plus 1 here 36 here, 5 1 is 5 plus 3 8. That means here 8.660 meters. You can remember here height of the tower is 5 root 3 meters or 8.660 meters. Therefore, you can write here height of the tower is equal to 5 root 3 meters. This is the solution. Thank you for watching this video. You can watch the complete exercise videos in our class 10th maths playlist videos.